Unlock the world of digital currency with the ultimate guide to buying Bitcoin using your iPhone and Apple Pay. In this quick tutorial, we'll walk through the simple steps to acquire Bitcoin using the convenience of Apple Pay. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. First, ensure you have Apple Pay set up in your iPhone's wallet app. You'll need a compatible credit or debit card linked to your account. Next, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange or platform that accepts Apple Pay. Popular options include exchanges like Coinbase, Gemini, and others that have integrated this user-friendly payment method. Once you've selected your preferred platform and created an account, head to the Buy or Deposit section here. You'll find the payment options. Select Apple Pay. The platform will then prompt you to confirm your Bitcoin purchase amount. After entering the desired value, you'll be redirected to the familiar Apple Pay interface to authorize the transaction using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Within moments, your payment will be processed, and the Bitcoin you purchased will appear in your exchange account wallet, ready for you to manage or transfer. And that's it. You've successfully bought Bitcoin using the seamless integration of Apple Pay and your iPhone. Enjoy your investment journey.